So hi Jivan, how are you?
Hi Ron, doing
Yeah.
good.
Yes. So you can just quickly, log into your seller account and you can, so show the sales.
Yeah, so you can see the sales here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is today's sales.
Great.
And if I see for the last 7 days, this has been the total orders and
Yeah.
total sales.
Yeah.
And for the past month, actually there was no ad campaign live. So the
Yes.
numbers was actually down.
You can
But
go to last 15 days.
yeah, since 15 days, this has been the most number of sales done. 100 plus units.
So from last 15 days, actually your product is picking up, actually, matching the sales velocity, which is somewhere around
Yes,
150 to, 200, right? On an average,
yes, correct.
200, yeah. On the first page, somewhere around 200 to 250, which is fairly
Yeah.
good. You can once refresh it, refresh your selling.
So the in 30 days it was 38. Yeah. So 95% of the sales happened in the last 15 days. So
Go
we
to
can
the
assume
business
that
reports. It
business
would be better,
reports.
yeah. Go to business reports.
Okay. Where exactly can you tell me?
Yeah, click
Reports,
on it.
right?
Click on it. Reports,
Business reports.
business reports.
Yes.
Here you can, in the date section, you can select properly. Last 15 days. Yeah, you
Today
can
is for
select
20.
20.
So I can select from fives.
Yeah, yeah. I think 10th, after 10th, 11th October, the sales has been picked up. Of course, Q4
Yes.
also has started, so which is good. When actually, the day your product got live.
My product got live around in the starting of September mostly.
Yeah,
September
yeah.
first week.
Great.
And on my Amazon product page, I have two reviews. Why does it show zero now?
This is feedback. See, on Amazon, there are two types of feedback or review, or, whatever you call them. This is a feedback, customer feedback. Customer feedback is different. The reviews are different.
So
On it,
feedbacks are not visible to normal
no,
customers,
no,
right?
no, 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 no.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay. Fair. And what is this featured offer generally?
That's it. Like I think you got any Amazon choice or something like that.
No,
Hmm.
nothing.
Yeah, you can just ignore it. Again, buy box also. That never comes under our this thing. If you run
Actually,
any promotions and all, it will appear.
when should I go ahead and when should I plan my next order?
Yeah, so as soon as your inventory is getting low, so right now I think
Mhm.
100 units sold already, right? So 200
Correct.
units, around 200 units are left. So in the coming days,
Yes.
since right now, if you see last 30 days on an average 100 units, but last 15 days again 100 units. So most of the sales came in 15 days only. Last 15 days. Even if the like break it down, in last 7 days itself, you have got almost 77 to what 80 orders you have got in last 7 days, which means that in coming days, your product, the more organic sales are coming. So you can see, in the transaction also. So more organic sales
Yeah,
are.
sale volume
Obviously, it
is
is going to
increased.
increase because the niche which we found, the other competitors are making somewhere around 200 to 300 sales on the first page itself. On the first, beginning, 5 to 6 sellers are there. So that is what we can expect. So as soon as another 50 to 60 units get sold, it is better to think about ordering in the next batch.
Okay. So
Yeah.
kind of I was having the thought process that whatever proceeds or cash flow is coming in from this sale, I will
Mhm.
use it to place the new order. I think now
Yes,
I have to keep some cash aside separately
exactly.
to make a emergency purchase.
Yes.
Acha.
So that you will not run out of stock. So
Okay. But
overall, how many reviews happened now on the product?
reviews, I asked for five, got two, and one account did not qualify for a posting a review, and other two
So
haven't
altogether,
given
altogether, how many reviews are there on the product now?
two.
Okay, two reviews are there. So hopefully, in
Yes.
coming days, once the reviews increases, that also leads to more organic sales. See, people tend to purchase product which has more reviews, right? So if
Yes.
there is two reviews, people slightly hesitate. but not an issue. This is the beginner, every beginner has to go through that particular process. You don't have to, think like you are falling behind. So everything is going as smooth and as planned. So, as we gain more reviews, we can afford to sell our product at a higher price. We can increase our profit margin as well. And also our product ranks organically, which will help us, yeah, in the long run.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you, Ron.
Mhm.
And I think looking at the sales velocity going up, I should plan my next batch, and
Ordering
maybe I will.
directly from manufacturer, Chinese
Yeah,
manufacturer, it will be
manufacturer.
better
Yes.
because.
Also, Ron wanted to ask, like, the product that I ordered here, it is from Indian manufacturer only.
Mhm.
So it is from a person who is manufacturing in India.
No, no, no. I
So
think they are suppliers. They are importing and selling. So that is what I think.
he showed me
So
a couple of videos and images that he is making the pillows himself.
okay,
But still, I will do a cost comparison. If import
we
price,
can compare the cost. We can
yeah,
see who are providing us better, quality wise, as well as the design wise, as well as the pricing wise. Then we can go with
yes,
them.
okay,
Yeah,
great. Looking forward to good numbers. Yeah,
sure, sure, sure,
thank
sure.
you.
Yeah, if you have anything, you can always reach out to me.